Koh Kood is one of Thailand's most beautiful and least developed islands, nestled in the Gulf of Thailand near the Cambodian border. This island, part of the Koh Chang archipelago, is the fourth largest in Thailand, stretching about 25 kilometers in length and 12 kilometers in width, with a population of around 2,000 residents. This year we are touring the island for 4 days, every day to new places and new beaches. Koh Kood is trying to keep its ecotourism vibe and preserve its peaceful and untouched nature. So the only cars you'll see are thangtos, as I call their Thai taxis. They are mostly used to transport tourists from the pier to the resorts. But if you're comfortable riding motorcycles in Thailand, you'll love exploring the island this way. We got to rent an almost new Hummer Click, 125 CCM for 250 baht per day, directly from our resort. This bike turned out to be very vigorous and had no problem at all with the steep slopes we drove onto the island. We filled up the gas for 70 baht, 2 liters, and a young lady who happened to fill up just before us helped us with the pump. We simply love this way of exploring new places on the island. There was almost no traffic, just a few other bikes and occasionally a Sangto. The west side is all about sandy beaches, and Bang Bao Beach, also called Siam Beach, is one of the most beautiful beaches on Koh Kood, where you can watch the sunset. Located on the west side, south of Ngang Ko Bay, this white powder sand beach stretches about 800 meters long. It is curved until it's almost circular, suitable for swimming. Diving boat in front of the beach area, which is rich in coconut plantations, made a perfect motif for the circular drone shots. Accessed by paved tracks snaking through coconut palm trees, the place is just gorgeous. All the beaches on Koh Kood are great, but this one was our personal top. Stretch of shoreline and scenic backdrop of palm trees and forest make Bang Bao a photographer's dream. Sunrise and sunset walks along the beach are especially magical. For starters, it has a number of these iconic wooden piers that make a classic postcard. This beach is never too crowded, making it very peaceful. The water at Bang Bao Beach is very easy to enter, with calm waters and a sandy bottom. It's one of Thailand's best hidden gems, quiet, stunning and completely untouched by usual crowds. Before you reach the wooden bridge to the southern part of the beach, you'll spot a few luxurious beachfront bungalows. Sadly, their numbers seem to be increasing every year. What sets Bang Bao Beach apart is its remarkable purity. The beach features soft, powdery white sand and calm, shallow waters that are perfect for swimming and simply floating. The water here is unusually clear, with a gentle turquoise hue that draws in comparison to the Maldives. The food and drink options are limited to a few bars like Monkey Bar, unless you are staying as a guest on one of the resorts. There isn't much shade, but we found shade under some palm trees on the beach while my girlfriend rested in our hammock and actually had a small nap while I made my video footage, both with my drone and the GoPro. Above all, Bang Bao Beach is famous for its tranquility and increasingly rare quality in today's global beach destinations. If we had to pick just one must-visit beach on Koh Kood, it would definitely be Bang Bao. Picture yourself on this charming wooden bridge with crystal clear water shimmering beneath you, palm trees in the tide, and little bungalows surrounded by flowers. This is probably what paradise should look like. There is a small canal behind the bridge, or a klong lek, as I would say in Thai. High tide, this beach is easily one of the best we've ever been to. Just make sure to check the tide forecast. Without it, the beach might not look the same and you might not be as impressed. After the bridge, you will find the most simple and charming little bungalows with shared bathrooms along with a few cozier wooden houses. Most of these places operate as walk-in homestays. I guess the canal that separates the beach from these small cozy wooden houses is the outlet of a smaller river with fresh water. Did you see the fish jump here? would say this beach is very family friendly. We loved visiting Bang Bao beach, but staying there was not our first pick. And if you are biking to the beach, be careful. The roads get a bit rough towards the end. If you are lucky enough to arrive this beach by boat for the first time, you will fall in love as soon as you see it from afar. As a boat approaches, it's like a dream. Totally crystal clear water, a beach full of palm trees, a few beach bars like Monkey Bar, white powder sand, and bridges that give it a magical touch. If you ever come to Koh Kood, do not miss the opportunity to visit this lovely, tranquil beach on the southern west coast of the island.